So what's going on YouTube? I'm just here to show you my new car alarm system that I got. Just check it out real quick. And also, like, if I push it 3 times in sequence, this is what happens. So so it's pretty cool. Like I said, I also got my my panic alarm changed. So this is how it goes. I push the button right quick. I'm gonna show you my little panic button right there, the red one. But yeah, that's what happens when it goes off. Anyway, this is my video. Peace, love, and hair grease. Alright, peace.
I'm the best, man. I did it.